nice. We're currently, we're currently in Woodstock, New York. And we got big Maytag. I can show you the outside of it.
What are you doing?
Making a video. Here's this Maytag. I'm not sure what compressor it's got. Probably a Sanya rotary. Maybe Hiley. Who knows? There's vintage Kenmore. Guessing a Tecumseh to Matsushita rotary. And then got a lot of ACs actually here. Oh no. Oh, actually, look. I don't know if you can see it. It's got an L Hero by LG rotary compressor. Maybe 20,000 to 20,000 BTUs. It's got a 220. Yeah. Here's the inside of the vintage Kenmore.
Yeah, I want that. There's one more left. Only 22.
I think there used to be a 220 outlet. There actually is there's a 220 outlet here. Oh, it runs in 220. It's Kenmore. Maybe will be another unit. No, there's no other unit. Alright, that's all I got for now. See you later.